Ano ba?
Compliance with that.
What do you want to hear?
Just about your concept, about...
Minimalist.
Actually, wala siyang... Sige. Wala ng concept. Yeah. We're patterning it after the architecture. Yeah, seriously, I don't know what to say. But they said tall and stable, so yeah.
So how stable is it?
Yeah. Oo, yun. What else?
So how is it working with the team?
Okay naman,
Who
yeah.
initiated?
We're like, ano pa ito si 3J.
3J.
Yeah, J, Joanne, and Joseph.
Oh.
Naging
proud.
power. Yeah. Kasi cleaning.
So who initiated in the group na gawin niyang concept?
It's Brian.
Power. Powerful. So how is it working with your groupmates, si Joan and Jade?
Ano, okay naman kasi after the initial concept, they try naman to pitch in their ideas and yeah.
So you think equal naman yung ideas given? Everyone likes the concept.
Kasi wala din kami naisip na iba.
Alright, sige.
Or let's hear from the other group mates.
Okay.
Wait, was the time, sufficient for you, or did you think it was too long, or did you think it was too short?
So long na.
Medyo long.
It was long.
Kasi sabaw lang ako na Yeah.
Did you guys encounter problems while working on it?
Actually, may idea din ako. Kasi lang yung idea sa amin, hindi talaga siya kaya for one building. It won't work. So we just chose one to begin with.
How did you go about the decision making? Like, how's it?
That will be faster.
Okay. But you only used a little bit of the Actually, did you use everything na there?
No.
Why didn't you use every, all of your... Okay.
Environmentally.
Were the resources enough
Enough naman for like
to work with something?
sisters not enough.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, you.
Okie dokie.
Supposed to stand, yes.
From
here. So yay, our building is called Adora.
Why? What's the name?
Because of the heart.
No, because our building has heart.
Kasi diba, adore. So adore
the-
girly.
Okay. So who initiated that concept of going?
All of us. Actually, parang ginawa namin building, tapos naging castle. Sa castle, tapos naging tower, spaceship, gano'n.
Okay.
Naging
So
tao na siya.
There are a lot of metamorphoses.
Okay.
Superhero siya ngayon. Kasi may belt.
okay. Yeah.
Yeah, it makes...
Who parang came out as the leader or the one who initiated?
Parang everyone just, two ideas. My role was reminding people, okay, make it stable. And then, secrecy, make it creative. What else can we do with the strips?
Si Ana pala.
Thanks, Enrique.
Si Ana yung nag-isip nung yung red.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, yun. I love it.
Siya nagsabi gawin parang tao, so kaya may kamay, may belt, may gano'n. May head, pero hindi nag-crashing head.
So this activity is basically, I think it's an activity about teamwork and all those stuff. But the lesson that we can get from both groups is that you had a goal. What was the goal?
Make it tall and
Make it basically tall and stable, as strong as you can. But again, we come from different realities, different teams, different LCs, and we have different perspectives of how we do things. Okay, but we all should have the same goal as one Isaac Philippines. Okay, so like for example, with that building over there, at first it was a building, then it became something else. Along the way, You know, sometimes, you know, going towards one direction, we go different paths. We don't exactly do the same things in each LC. We have our own paths, our own ways in how we do things. And as seen in our activity, it's the same case. Okay, we had an objective, a goal. The 3Js had a different perspective of how to do things. They had their own way. Okay, for the Adora group, they created something at first, then they thought of something different to make it stronger and to make it taller. So that's the basic purpose of the activity. Again, in our LCs, we have those instances and realities as well. Ganun din nangyayari sa atin. We all have goal, we have a goal, we have objective in the end, but we all have our own ways of achieving or going through the process. Okay. So
And the most important is the time limit.
Yeah,
Because even
you
if
have
you
1
set
year.
your goals without like a deadline, you won't, be pressured
We only
to
have
meet
1
them. So,
year.
you have a time limit, that's me.
Yeah, she's a pressure person.
So we have a few months left. You know, and it's not. I don't think it's enough to accomplish something great, something big. But it's a start of. It's the start of something. But anyway, sige.
Oh!
We'll come out
We'll test it na.
Calibrate
with the
first.
results later.
Criteria is...
50% height. We know one height.
Yay!
Yay!
Creativity.
Yay!
Who's more creative?
Na! We need an outside point of view, man.
Let's call carpenter.
Anyway.
We'll just award let's just go now to my...
Ay,